ready? That's a new record. Are you ready for Iron Gwazi? Here we go, Iron Gwazi. I'm the Busch Gardens Tampa back row. One of my favorites. Up we go. Going up there. Almost there. There we go.
Are you alive? Oh, hey, water.
Water?
Water. Cool it down. You alive?
Barely. It's a like 95-degree day. I don't know how I didn't pass out on that. Oh my goodness. So much fun.
90% of the blood in my body is still in my head.
Yeah.
That's all right. We're gonna have a nice little relaxing sit-up break.
Yeah. That was good. That was good. That was worth the wait.
It's always worth it.